talking about, the wannabe corrective exercise topic, I witnessed a personal training session in a gym where the client had anterior pelvic tilt, increased lordosis, and the trainer was only focused on dealing with the outer thigh, the abductors, working on glute work. Now you have a severe lordosis and an anterior pelvic tilt, and stretching the lower back. Had the client lay on her back, rolling the knees forward, stretching out the lower back. Now, anterior pelvic tilt doesn't mean much. We don't know if that's her normal spinal structure. So trying to correct all that right off the bat without knowing this information is wrong. And regardless of, let's just say it was an injury that caused that, so we could start working around that and start building up other things. There was zero focus on abdominal strength, abdominal flexibility, meaning, stretching out the abdominals. They could actually be incredibly tight, or even dealing with hip flexors and quadriceps. Not to mention hamstring, tightness, and like all these other things. So for 45 minutes, I saw a trainer working on abductors, glute work, and stretching the lower back. Not a single thing addressing the entire picture here. Our jobs as trainers is to focus on the client as a whole. And that's where a lot of people go wrong. A lot of trainers go wrong. If I had the opportunity to run this particular client through my postural and biomechanical assessments, I would have found those skeletal, issues, but would have worked on a larger picture, for the client and started out programming from there. That wasn't done, unfortunately. So we have to look at the client as a whole.